Hey, what's up? My name is Alex. I'm the founder of IX Media. We've made our clients $350,000 in email and SMS marketing revenue. I made a video a few days ago going through kind of our overall process of creating emails for our clients, but I wanted to break down the 60-second version of it, so here we go. So first things first, we create a calendar. Here's an example of what a calendar looks like. You put all this is for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so we have a lot more. But in this section, you're just gonna put, what's gonna be the theme, what are we gonna be doing for this brand, what's the overall discounts, the coupons, the tiered system, all that sort of stuff. Then we have the calendar. The calendar we set up, and I have a whole video if you need ideas on how to create email designs, email ideas, all that sort of stuff. The email creation calendar process, I have another video on that, but check that out. But basically, once we have the calendar set up, we have the entire thing set up like this. Then we go on Figma and then we start getting the design inspiration. So we start saying, okay, so this is going to be sent on, on the 7th. What email would be a good email to take inspiration from? Then we have a vault of 500 emails that we've launched. So we'll either look at there. You could go to mail.com, reallygoodemails.com, subscribe to newsletters, but basically just find an email that you would want to replicate. Not exactly, but take inspiration from. So we do that for all the different emails. I went here from the 7th through the 15th just for now. So this day to this day, and again, perfect for Thanksgiving. This one's, Merry Christmas from our family to yours. I could change the copy, but I want to follow this layout. Once that's set up, then we're going to be doing the copy. The copy is pretty simple. I made another video on that. We have a whole structure, a ChatGPT prompt. This entire prompt that we use, which is all the way at the top, you could have, and it's free. You don't have to opt in. Just go in my video and I give it to you. Once you have that, then we just start doing the copy. The way we do it is we put in usually a example email in ChatGPT, and then we just explain. The way I explain the copy is I just turn on this little dictate thing on ChatGPT, and I just say what I say. So in this one, I could say, hey, in this email example, or in this email, I want it to be a Thanksgiving email. I want to have this unique selling point, this unique selling point, this unique selling point. I want it to have this angle, and I want the copy to be this short and this. That's it. And the prompt also has rules and regulations, so it'll follow it. And once you're done with that, then we just copy the image. Then we'll put it in a doc for the designers, or if you want to make it even simpler, we'll just put it on top of the design. So for example, this is another email that we want to take inspiration from. You see how it's similar? We're still working on it, but you see how it's sort of similar? Then we just put it in here. So headline, you can put it in the browser tab, you can put in all this sort of stuff. And again, ChatGPT gives you that. So it gives you this format, you see? So it gives you the copy, the headline, the search bar, in that case, the section title, product placement, description, CTAs, the footer, all that sort of good stuff. So then you just paste it on here, and then our request we've got it from our designers is to put it on a doc. It makes it so much easier for them, but I would still suggest putting it on Figma just so they know, okay, this part's supposed to go here, this part's supposed to go here in a very real way. And that's pretty much it. Once they're done, you go here, and obviously you need to do revisions. I'll give you a sneak peek of what revisions, what a final email looks like. This isn't 100% final, but at the end, you'll get a nice looking email that looks like this, and this took inspiration from another email. So that's the entire process in about 3 minutes. Hopefully that helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Check out the other videos. I'll link them right here. You can check them out. And yeah, God bless you guys. Bye.